The tragedy is that a DPP aganzula Malawi ndi anthu opusa kuti iwo angapange feature candidate yo sali fiti foti adakula ndi okalamba ali matenda ambirimbiri wa ukalamba munthu ndeti thupi la gonja mafupa saugwira bwino nthawi zinasolo mmutumu sukumbukira zinthu nthawi zinawo kuti apa msana uwawa nyamakazi chani you slow down. That's why nkhalamba sizigwiritsa ntchito timapanga take over ana usamala nkhalamba. A DPP thinks kuti katene kuti Peter Mutharika thinks kuti Malawi ndi opusa kuti iye akuzima kukhala ku nyumba because ndi okalamba, not a fault of his basi thayata. Then Malawi adzangodzuka pa 16 September basi boom tasankha Peter Mutharika kuti ndiye president. Why? Because he has the name of Mutharika. And so he has proven leadership. Sizikhala choncho. Mutharika is not fit. Ndipo Malawi, let's be serious. I mean, ngati Mutharika aupanga front anthu ena to do campaign. Kuna dada wina angapanga front. Actually, what he's doing, he's just showing how things can be. If he can be elected, what it means that actually azachiro onjezi tsopano kuti ndasankhidwa ndiye panopa adzadisesa ndi anthu enawo. But the question is, anthu enawo sanapite pa ballot ngati president fire. Why they not on ballot as presidential candidate? Ngati afuna president. And as Malawians, we will not hold them accountable. The other one doesn't kufuna while he's sleeping because of old age. Is that what Malawians? The fact that we have a campaign, what makes us think kuti uza Chilo president? Chilo president is very hectic. We, for example, Perere azgaendera Galimot, like he did by Jamba, kuti basu khala Galimot. He's supposed to pay the worst regard. He's supposed to stay long day, for example, 6 July. The whole day will stay here. President. There's a great change. Agarandira my diplomats ku State House. Kukarabino Zolongo Sok, Sanga Bankas Venezuela. Azgabanga delegate. Just like he's delegating. And I'm going to give you a manifesto to Mount Sochi. My point is, if he's doing these things now, any candidate could what it means that government will also be run by those people outside of a ballot. Now, should we send Mutharika to State House because probably there is a better bed in State House than his own in Kumangochi? That we should just be looking after him without him working. Because essentially, what it means is that with our taxes, when he's not paying back, you have got to offer a service. I've got to offer a service of Director General. In a day, NBC pays me a salary every month without fail. It's not a free salary. I'm supposed to work. So what about a president? Malawi, let's be serious. I would prove leadership. Which prove leadership as the Mutharika display in this country? That they can show it's proof leadership. He has not given us any plan. He has not promised anything. He just said proof leadership. When did he provide proof leadership? The Mutharikas, including Bingwa Mutharika and Peter Mutharika, have just taken from this country without giving back. And this I can say, Masomulgwa, Bingwa Mutharika, and his brother, the one that is a candidate with DPP, they have taken more from this country than they have given. This Peter Mutharika, we know he was abroad. He was not paying tax in this country. He was abroad for many years. He only came here without investing anything. Today, he wants to be a current president. His old age, we should be the ones looking after him. He's not going to look after him as former president, but he wants to build the State House. Now, as Malawians, are we serious? And the few times that it comes out, Zoipa, the tribalism, regionalism, the DPP is gaining currency. I heard General saying it also. I think you can look at that. Southern region. It is so, what should people are willing to think? Could it be DPP Cabera? Is that the sources of Isabella? Can they go to Longa than the anti campaign? Because he got to but you have said you are going to damage the Longway. Muzarenga's resources are Blanta. When the Longway is his headquarters, the Longway is the capital city. So, why do you want our votes? Your aim is to damage the Longway. Central region. Your aim is to damage the Central region. That's regionalism. That's tribalism. Typical of this old man. That's how they ruled themselves. It was regional. Regionalism, and they're saying it without shame. That's what they're going to do. It's the capital city.
Quota system.
It's quota system. It's the same thing. The quota system is very. So the question is, should we really give power to such a group and elect him to run out the campaign? He has promised nothing. Have we heard? Has he promised anything in this country? They are strong on the economy. Have they promised anything on the economy? Nothing. There's no plan. There was nothing. They are sleeping. While somebody is busy touring the whole northern region, he wasn't gone. And they think Malawians are going to reward the Ogona. Unless Malawians are mad. We're going to see the